Hi everyone. In the last lecture series, we have discussed about the substitution techniques. So in substitution techniques, we are having the various methods. We have seen the Caesar cipher, Hill cipher, polyalphabetic, monoalphabetic, Playfair cipher and all. The next one we are going to see about the transposition techniques. In techniques, just we are going to concentrate on only on the key components, that is cryptography, encryption, decryption and the cipher. So what do you mean by a transposition? In this transposition cipher, it is one of the method of encryption by which the positions held by the plain text according to the regular system, so that the cipher text constitutes a permutation to the plain text. So here we are going to change the order of the units, and mathematically the function is used on the character position to encrypt and an inverse function to decrypt. For example, I had given any of the alphabets. It may be TSP, SHAL. So whatever it may be, some of the alphabets have been given. For example, I have taken a sample messages. So here we are going to see what are all the types of the transposition techniques. We are having rail fin cipher, root cipher, column transposition, double transposition, and Miskowski transposition. So these are all the types of the transposition. So the first thing we are going to see about the rail fin cipher. Suppose I'm going to write a plain text, that is poetry is what is lost in translation. So this is the plain text I have given. So in the problem what they have given, write the plain text in a zigzag pattern in two rows. The depth here they have given as two rows and form the ciphertext. So here what they have given, poetry is what is lost in translation. The first alphabet P I have to write in the first line. The next O, again E, again T. So here we are going to measure the depth. So here the depth is given as 2. So likewise we have to write all the value, and again we have to convert into the ciphertext. The next one is the root cipher. So we can write any alphabet. For example, W R I O R F E O E double E S B E. So root cipher we can write E. At the last one we are having J. Another one will be X. Next CET. So we can write randomly. So that is the root cipher. The next column. So here, suppose I'm going to convey one message. So what is the message here I'm going to convey is, the golden rule is that there are no golden rules. So here, I'm going to write what are all the value. First, here I have taken one column, that is one column, and here I have taken so many rows. So, but I have to mention within the four alphabet, THEB. So again OLTE, N or UL. Likewise, I have to write the column matrix. The next one is the double transposition. So this double transposition cipher is another form of the transposition technique. So it is just similar to the transposition technique. The main objective is nothing but the it is used to encrypt the message type. So at the same time, it can use the same or the different secret keys. First, we have to write the message in the form of rows, columns, and again we have to read the message by column. The given text here is given as geeks for geeks. The keyword here given as NICK. So here we can randomly assign the values 4 to 1, another one is 3. The first letter is G, the second one is E, third one is E, and the fourth one will be K. So next, yes, another one is F O or G E E K S. So likewise, we have to write. The next one is the last technique, that is Miskowski transposition. For example, we can assign the rows and the columns, and we can write into ciphertext. So here, what do you mean by this break column transposition cipher means? cryptanalyst must be aware. It should be deal with the cipher. So here, what are all the columns we are suspecting, and how we will assume that values. The last technique is the one-time pad. So what are all the advantages means, just we can easily convert into plain text, and converting the text into the ASCII representation. The disadvantages, the amount of data it will be limited to key available, and the last one will be the sensitivity. So these are all the assessment questions. Thank you.